Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to create a channel in Telegram on PC. So open Telegram. Now here click on this menu. Now here click on new channel. Give your channel name. Give description, it's optional. Then click on create. Now here is your channel. You can manage channel and you can see the channel info. Click on view channel info. You can see your subscribe number. You can add more subscribers from your list, and also guys you can send invitation link. So this is the basic way guys to create a channel on Telegram. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.